How to set up multi-instances with APIBridge using Multi-Instances Launcher. You are required to log in all your accounts one by one with APIBridge single launcher and set up your API credentials. This is a one-time process to save all your users. Once this process is done, you are ready to use APIBridge Multi-Launcher. Now, just click the Multi-Instance Launcher and all your accounts will open up in just one click every other day. Your daily setup can be completed in 15 to 20 seconds using Multi-Instances Launcher. Now, click on Login to API for all your accounts and start algo trading with APIBridge.